perfect, perfect, perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by on my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I lay my wigs, and to do that I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond glue, and I usually use a Guts to Be glue, gel and spray, but I wanted to see if this Ghost Bond is worth the coins and my time, so keep watching. So right now I'm gathering my hair and I'm gonna pin it down with a bobby pin so it lays flat and nice under my wig. I used to cover my hair under my wigs, but I've been doing these 3-strand waves for a while now and I find it works so much better. It's easier to moisturize my scalp, and when I'm ready to take down my braids, my hair is less knotted. So once my hair is pinned down flat, all I did was apply my wig cap and I sprayed it with the Guts to Be glued spray. I go over it with a blow dryer so it sticks down and just cut the excess wig cap.
And I wanna know, do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
Right now I'm taking baby wipes to wipe away any oils and glue from my forehead. Then I'm gonna add my foundation to create the ball cap effect. And guys, don't use your good foundation to apply under your wigs. The foundation that I'm using is from Black Opal and it's very affordable.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow?
So what I did is apply a thin layer of the Ghost Bond glue and just took my rat tail comb and spread it out a little. I let that air dry and then applied a second layer. And you guys are gonna see me fanning the glue because it took so long to dry. Maybe I applied too much because y'all know I'm heavy-handed anyway, so bear in mind that your glue might take a while to get tacky.
There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that?
The hair that I'm using today is from hairvv.com. I did a review on this hair. I'll have it pop up somewhere on the screen, so definitely go check that out. So once your glue is tacky, you're gonna carefully stick down your wig. And what I do before I stick down my wig, I like to apply some mousse to the front of my hair so it lays down so I don't have any hairs, baby hairs, getting into the glue.
Follow. Baby, can't you see that I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
Some areas ended up getting too dry, so I had to go back and apply some of the glue. And this time around I used my rat tail comb to kind of press down the glue to my forehead. And by doing this, I noticed the glue got tacky way faster, so that speed up the process.
Under the stars.
And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I got a new flat iron, guys. If you watch my previous videos, you know how I was struggling with my flat iron, and I finally found one that does the job. This is the Babyliss 3000. It's a flat iron and a curling iron in one.
Make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
What I'm doing right now is trying to get rid of the white residue left back from the glue. I used a little bit of oil and just massaged the area, and that did help a little bit. You guys, I have this wig for a year and I still haven't customized the front. It came pre-plucked and pre-everything, so I didn't have to do nothing to it. But I still want to make it more to my liking, make it look more natural. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on that. This is the results, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I did some baby hairs. You don't have to do that. It's totally up to you. I'll insert the pros and the cons on the screen so you guys can read it. I've had this style in for a week now and the wig is still glued on to my forehead. If I have to choose between the Guts to Be and the Ghost Bond, I'll definitely choose the Guts to Be just because it's way faster. I don't have the patience to be waiting for the glue to dry. But I'm gonna keep using it and maybe I find some tips and tricks that I can share with you guys. So if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do that. Smash the like if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to turn on your post notification, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.